Want top-notch electrical services? Then you gotta check out Curly Electric LLC. They got a seriously skilled crew dedicated to delivering top-quality work. These guys can handle anything from installations and repairs to maintenance. Give us a shout today to book an appointment at www.curlyelectricllc.com and give us a call today on 12069147505 and see for yourself what sets us apart. Any questions? Hit us up at ctm@comcast.com. We're always happy to help. Trust us, you won't find better electric service anywhere else.